Let's go to point 5 creative. Point 5 creative is in trouble, but it's got nothing to do with me. Point 5 creative studios, right? It's one of the channels in Zimbabwe which are big. Let's go to videos. Point 5 creative studios is one of the channels in Zimbabwe which are big. Point 5 creative studios is one of the channels in Zimbabwe which are big. Point 5 creative studios is one of the channels in Zimbabwe which are big. Point 5 creative studios is one of the channels in Zimbabwe which are big.
Tisati tatanga nyaya ya King Munu Mutapa munoti chii nekusungwa kwa Job Scala.
Ndotenda makadimese makaterera panguva ino. Nyaya ya Job Scala yandirwadza. Job Scala was trapped, seriously trapped. Hakuna chimwe chinhu. I don't see him. Munhu akaita saJob Scala achitora mabhomba achiisa mota make. I don't see that happening. But handisi kuda kunyanyopinda maningi paipapo. But maonero angu nezvandiri kunzwa zviri kundipa kuti akatrapwa. Because ndakambonzwa since pane munhu akakumbira makey emota. Yeah, kana pane munhu akakumbira makey emota ndiye akanoisa izvozvo. Ndazoona imwe report imwe video ichiratidza kuti anga akapaka papi zvakafamba sei kune mota iyo iri pakati ndiyo yake. Haina nhamba, yakanhingirwa nhamba, taura zvakawanda. So I'm saying vanhu vaiita izvozvo vachitora mavidhio iwawo, what did they have in mind? Ndiani anga achitora izvozvo? Iye ari kuripota wacho mavidhio acho iwawo akaaona kunani, akaawana kupi, achiratidza kuti anga akapaka apo. What ZANU-PF is trying to do is to escalate a problem yayo to neighboring countries. They want to cause South African government to start attacking every Zimbabwean. You remember sometimes last year pakambonzi pane motikari yanga akatakura zvombo ichibva kuZimbabwe. Tina kuzoziva kuti nyaya yacho yakaperera papi. Nhasi kwakuonekwa kuti Job Scala aenda ari kusangana nevanhu amene anga achisangana navo. Kwakuwanikwa pane mabhomba motikari make. Chandisina kunyatsoona kuti mabhomba aya are they military related kana kuti anongova madynamite chete anogona kuwanikwa everywhere. Handisi kuziva. Ndaona zvakanaka mapictures acho dynamite acho kana kuti mabhomba acho kuti ndeechirudzi. Ende zvakabuda mota anga akawaridzirwa zvakanaka. Kuti handifungi kuti munhu akaita seJob Scala kana kuti anybody anoningira anoenda nemabhomba acho anogona kuwawaridza mawaridziro anga akaitwa. Kugovhora bhutu wana akaradzikwa zvakanaka. That's not possible. That's not possible. Because handina kunzwa kuti mota yake yakasechwa ikawanikwa ine mabhomba. Inongonzi pavakavhura bhuti vakabva vaona maningiri ma-explosive that munhu akaisa munhu wacho akaisa haana kufunga kuvaviga akavayanika pachena because he was a busy somebody anga asingadi kuonekwa nevanhu vakawanda. And motikari yaJobs kana kuti izopaka musango, what was the motive behind? Why was it so? Yakapakwa kunze kwemall yacho iyoyo kuda irestaurant here. It leaves a lot kuratidzira, but the bottom line, the short story of it is that it's a trap. Is ZANU-PF, they want now kuti vanhu vanotaura nezveZANU-PF vari kuSouth Africa vane zvombo. I don't know what they want to achieve, either to create a diplomatic turmoil between Zimbabwe and South Africa, or ZANU-PF wants to accelerate or to strengthen the Dudula movement so that they remove every Zimbabwean from South Africa so that they go and persecute them. That's a very, very dangerous thing to do. So Scala, in his capacity, he cannot be capable. I don't see him really risking Zimbabwean life in South Africa by exporting military weapons to South Africa. I don't see him doing that. It is somebody stupid, somebody nuisance who knew Jobs Kala would be there at this time. And he was being followed by who I don't think is South African intelligence. If it is South African intelligence, they should have intercepted even before he get to that hotel, that mall where he was parked. They would have intercepted him. They wouldn't have allowed him to go up to there with knowing exactly he's carrying some bombs in his car. And when he left, what prompted, because that car had a South African number, what prompted them to stop him immediately after he left and they start searching his car? What did they suspect? Why did they suspect so?
Yes.
Scala is a public figure. So kuti pavakamona chikuda, they knew they should have ipapapo pahotera pacho vakamuendera vakanotaura naye kuti uri kutsvagei, if they did not understand his presence. Vomirira opinda mumota, achingobuda mumota less than a kilometer atomiswa atobatwa. And innocently akazvigarira hake. I don't think that it is ZANU-PF work. ANC should be very careful. ZANU-PF, they must be very careful. ZANU-PF. I think in short, in this was one rungo tichaona kana chinda meri analyze yacho, but as of now, on view, he was trapped. The same way Mapunu was trapped. You remember Mapunu paga capture anza akafonerwa zvanzi uya tipinde meeting tine mari yatoda kukupa.
Yes.
Right. And kana apa chiri chokwadi kuti he was invited by some people who are connected to this rebel movement in the DRC. He is somebody who doesn't know the operations of that movement. Because it is not true kuti vanhu vava vanogona kumuti uyati kupe mari kuti urwise hurumende yaMnangagwa, because they are being sponsored naMnangagwa. Mnangagwa is housing M23 in Zimbabwe. All their leaders are in Zimbabwe as we speak. Mnangagwa is not in good books with Tshisekedi. because Tshisekedi, when he came in, he stopped the export or the looting of diamonds and gold from the Congo under the pretext that Zimbabwe helped to restore law and order in the Congo after the death of Kabila. So he said, that arrangement was not proper, and he stopped it. So that angered Zimbabwe. This is why they had to join the M23, a rebel movement. So they cannot therefore assist somebody who is fighting Mnangagwa. And the job scholar would not have been fooled because he's fully aware that the M23 is a sister party to ZANU-PF. So I don't think he would have fallen into the trap. That's not true. Good job scholar anodaidzwa ne-M23 kuti uyatikupe mari uvhise Mnangagwa wombanya chinda ikoko. No. Because anoziva kuti M23 is an ally of Mnangagwa. This is why you see Kabila went to Zimbabwe and South Africa and Angola. So you therefore Skana is aware of that. And is aware that the commanders of the M23 are housed currently, as we speak, are housed in Harare. They make their strategies in Harare.
Yeah.
So Skana is not a fool to be fooled by the M23 that way. If they were saying it is Tshisekedi who invited him, then I would understand, not M23. No, he can't. He cannot join the rebel group. He can't.